Looking to get started in crypto? Confused by too many exchanges out there? Let me show you why Binance is the best crypto exchange for both beginners and advanced traders. Click the official Binance link in the description below to sign up and claim your welcome bonus. Don't fall for scam links. Always use trusted sources. Global trust. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. With over 150 million users in 180 plus countries, Binance handles billions in daily trading volume, meaning faster trades, deeper liquidity, and better prices for you. And when it comes to trust, Binance is licensed or registered in several regions and works closely with regulators to protect users. Low trading fees. Binance is also one of the cheapest exchanges out there. Spot trading fees start at just 0.10%, and you can reduce them even more by using BNB tokens. Over time, low fees can make a huge difference, especially for frequent traders. Trading tools for all. Binance is built for every kind of trader. Spot trading, futures with leverage, copy trading, grid bots and automated strategies, advanced charting with TradingView. Whether you're a total beginner or a pro, you'll find the right tools. Top security. Security is critical in crypto, and Binance doesn't take chances. You get two-factor authentication, anti-phishing protection, cold storage wallets, the SAFU fund, an emergency insurance fund protecting user assets, plus Binance's security team works 24/7 to monitor all activity. Beginner-friendly platform. New to crypto? No problem. Binance offers a beginner-friendly mobile app, card and bank deposit options, peer-to-peer trading, and step-by-step guides. Everything is made simple, even if it's your first day in crypto. Wide range of coins. Binance lists over 600 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, popular altcoins, and up-and-coming projects. You'll also get early access to new tokens through Binance Launchpad. More than just trading. Binance is more than a trading platform. It's a complete crypto ecosystem. Crypto staking and savings, Binance Card for spending crypto, Launchpad access, Binance Academy to learn for free, NFT marketplace, loans, swaps, and more. Everything you need, all in one place. So why is Binance the best crypto exchange? Low fees, trusted worldwide, powerful tools, top-tier security, huge range of coins, great for beginners and pros.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand why Binance stands out as the best crypto exchange. Safe, fast, powerful, beginner-friendly. If you're ready to start your crypto journey, click the official Binance link in the description and create your account in minutes. Don't risk using fake links. Only trust the one below. Sign up today, grab your bonus, and take control of your crypto future. Like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more crypto tip and trusted platform guides. Until next time, trade smart, stay safe, and keep learning.